More Jessica, please, for a little bit of everything.
Hello, it's me. Hey y'all, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I used to hate when people said welcome back to my channel, and now I find myself saying it. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a product review. I guess it's more so of a company review. We are going to review Shutterfly. I'm dog sitting. And my father's calling. Hello. Making a YouTube video. Today, we are going to do a company review. Shutterfly. What is Shutterfly? Let's start from the basics. For someone who may just be like, Jess, what the freak are you talking about? I saw the cute photo in your thumbnail and that's why I clicked this video. Many of you are familiar with Shutterfly due to their photos. You can go online, get your prints, have them sent to you, and whop to bam, go crazy with your photo albums or picture frames. I'm a Walgreens girl, not gonna get into that. You can either print photos or print photos on fun things. They have mouse pads, they have mugs, they have tumblers.
Yada yada yada. How about I just show you, because I could really chat forever on what they have. So this is the mobile app you're looking at from the home screen. Now we're getting down into the good stuff, the photos of all the products that they have: home decor, calendars, kids, cases, and special offers, yada yada yada. Let's go back up to the top. It says gifts, but this could be for us. Just more info on what you're looking at, possibilities. Puzzles would have been fun in the beginning of COVID. My cousin bought her friends pillows and they loved it. So let's look at those pillows. So each item you select would have different options for multiple photos, different prints, different designs. So let's pick one to play around with. Add photo, and then our opportunities are endless. I should make one with my lobster tails, because if you haven't checked out my YouTube video yet, you're asleep. But no. Let's do something cuter. I mean, the little doggies made their appearance earlier in this video. Let's go with one of them. Bit. Oh, but Bay looks so precious. Let's go with her. I think she'll make a cute cover photo. You can add text to your pillows, so let's put her name there. Ta-da! This is our pillow, guys. How simple was that? You can just preview it, make sure you like it, and then add it to your cart. And you're all set. Now let's get back to what I actually purchased.
I used the mobile app for this order. I already had the photo on my phone. It's an old photo. The photo quality wasn't the best. I was a little afraid of what I was going to get, but I'm happy with this. It looks a little vintage like. Set your expectations low and then over delivered in regards to shipping time. I think they originally quoted me 3 or 4 weeks. I believe I received this in half of that. So it came in a poly mailer, like a plastic bag with their logo all over it. Great, opened it up, mouse pad. My only complaint about this mouse pad is, can you see this? So their alignment wasn't right. They should have yanked this over a little bit. But this wasn't a displeaser to me to the point where I had to email the company back and request a new one. Some people, this may be a no-go for them. I was happy. I like the mouse pad. It's a great quality. I've spilt water on it. It dried fairly well. I spilt grape jelly on it this morning, so we'll see how that dries. But I love it. That's my mouse pad. I've also used Shutterfly to order a gift. I ordered a blanket on there, added my niece and nephew's photos, came out great. But guess what? I received a blanket for my birthday. You know, holidays, birthdays, great time to, y'all, all the interruptions. My friends went online, found the most embarrassing photos ever that I love dearly. That's me and my doggy, and they made me a blankie. I love it. It's the fleece blanket, so if you do go on Shutterfly and you decide to get a blanket, they have a lot of options, a lot of size options. This is just the all fleece one, which I like because it's lightweight, but they make them that has like the, is it Sherpa? I don't know, something inside here that's all fluffy and warm. You can upgrade, or you can just do the regular blankie. So I love my blankie. Thanks, guys. And it has a little label, has cares instructions. That's the blanket. I think they said this took a little long to come. My blanket came fast, but I guess their blanket didn't. My blanket didn't. I don't care because it's beautiful. The photo quality is pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. That's my dad again. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. If you're watching this, you called and interrupted this video, FYI. Put that over there. And then finally, my mug. I recently purchased this, honestly, just to show you guys, because I wanted a mug. I'm like, I want to show them something else on Shutterfly. Got a mug. Great quality. That's a photo of the best trio ever. But inside, it's cool. I like my mug. I've had to use my mug. The mug did not come in a poly mailer like the blanket and the nut pad. Came in a styrofoam box. You know, just like this. Didn't really have any branding on it. I was a little skeptical when I saw it downstairs. I don't know if it was mine or not. It was. So that is Shutterfly. That's what I got. That's what I ordered. Thanks for hanging out with me and checking out my items. Please use the comment box below. Tell me if you ordered something from Shutterfly other than photos, if you loved it, how long it took to get to you. I mean, I could definitely use another reusable tote bag for when COVID's over and I can actually take them back into the store. But yeah, I can use one. So if you bought one, tell me how you like it, okay? And while you're in those comments, make sure you like and subscribe so you keep hanging out with me and we can do more product reviews or more recipes or more plant videos if that's your type of thing. But that's all for now, y'all. Thanks. Have a good night.